Hi family. Listen, I just walked into this little area of the woods and walked up on like at least half a dozen robins and a blue jay. And as I've told you before, robins are good luck. And the more you see, the better the luck. And the blue jays speak of speaking your truth and speaking with your intuition. So what I'm seeing so many robins. So what I'm seeing is you are having good luck for speaking your truth. Let's see if I can get you to see this one. He's grooming himself. I love you, family. Have a beautiful